Shishi from CodeFactory, and today we will again learn about data types in Python. But before we start this video, it is a part of the series called Python Programming Tutorials. So subscribe if you want to get notified as soon as I upload a video. And please make sure that you understand it clearly. If you stuck at any point, comment it down below. I will be happy to answer it. Now let's begin with the answer. What exactly are data types in Python? Python lists are one of the most versatile data types that allow us to work with multiple elements at once. In Python, a list is created by placing elements inside a square bracket separated by commas. A list can have any number of items, and they may be of different types: integer, float, string. A list can also have another list as an item. This is called nested list. We can use the index operator to access an item in a list. In Python, indexes start at 0, so a list having 3 elements will have an index of 0 to 2. By the way, this is how we use namespaces in Python. /n represents new line back to the topic. Python allows negative indexing for its sequences. The index of -1 refers to the last item, -2 to the second last item, and so on and so forth. We can see a range of items in a list by using the slicing operator. We can add one item to a list using the append method and several items using the extend method. Furthermore, we can insert one item at a desired location by using a method insert, or insert multiple items by squeezing it into an empty slice or of a list. We can delete one or more items from a list using the Python del statement. It can even delete the list entirely. We can use remove to remove the given item. We will talk about list comprehensions in the next video. Moving on to the next topic, which is tuples. A tuple in Python is similar to a list. The difference between the two is that cannot change the element of a tuple once it is assigned. A tuple is created by placing all the items inside parentheses separated by commas. We can use the index operator to access an item in a tuple. We can use the index method to get the index of the following item in a tuple. Deleting a tuple entirely is possible using the keyword del. Moving on to the next topic, which is sets. A set is an unordered collection of items. Every set element is unique and must be immutable. A set is created by placing all the items inside curly braces separated by comma. We can add a single element using the add method and multiple elements using the update method. The update method can take tuples, list, strings, or other sets as its argument. In all cases, duplicates are avoided. A particular item can be removed from a set using the method discard and remove. The only difference between the two is that discard function leave a set unchanged if the element is not present in the set, and on the other hand, the remove function will raise an error in such a condition. Sets can be used to carry out mathematical set instructions like union, intersection, differences, symmetric difference. Union of set A and set B is a set of similar elements from both sets. Union is preferred using operator. Intersection of A and B is a set of elements that are common in the both of the sides. Intersection is performed using operator. Difference of the set B and set A. A minus B is a set of elements that are only in A but not in B. Similarly, B minus A is a set of elements in B but not in A. Difference is performed using operator. Symmetric difference of A and B is set of elements in A and B but not in both, excluding the intersection. Symmetric difference is performed using operator. Moving on to the last topic, which is dictionaries. Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items. Each item of a dictionary has a key value pair. Creating a dictionary is as simple as placing items inside curly braces separated by commas. An item has a key and a corresponding value that is expressed as a pair, key value pair. While indexing is used with other data types to access values, a dictionary uses key. Keys can be used inside square brackets to get the value. If the key is already present, then the existing value gets updated. In the case the key is not present, the key value pair is added to the dictionary. We can remove a particular item in a dictionary by using the pop method. This method removes an item with a provided key and returns the value. The pop item method can be used to remove and return an arbitrary key value item pair from the dictionary. We will talk about dictionary comprehensions in the next video. Thanks for watching. Any questions regarding this video, comment it down below. I will read and answer them as soon as possible. So subscribe for more awesome topics like this and share it with your friends to make it more fun. Until the next video, take care.